What's going on, guys? So today's video, I haven't uploaded for like a week. I'm gonna be making a Trying to Cry video, but it's reacting to my old Trying to Cry video with my and my friend's channel we made. It had like 9 subscribers. I'll leave a link in the description. I don't know. And yeah, let's watch it. This is my brother. I'm watching.
We've watched a couple of these videos before, and they're so sad. You know the robot one? Yeah. No, where's the like comic that came? What's the comic animation? It's gonna be really and Phil, by the way.
These ones are actually sad. Wait, one sec. I think I have playback speed well too.
It's sad. She's like 2 flaps.
It's a long time. Remember this animation, Wesley? Yeah. I remember watching this over and over again as a kid. It was so sad. Oh, the puppy. I'm already crying. Nothing's happened yet. That's... oh no, oh no. Oh, that's so sick. Oh, it's a crime in real life. This is tough. Jeez. That's tough. Oh yeah, oh no, this is sad.
Crying so bad right now.
I know I am. No! Not to Ricardo. Like friend with Ricardo. Oh no. That's, I'm crying like, oh no, the next video. Kid's Pop comes up. Yeah, I'm not crying. I just have a really bad. Oh, Jesus. He thumbs it up right away. When was this made? It was so sad. Yeah, go check out the Janet. 2017.
I don't like these ones. These ones are boring. You have to do a really sad one, animated again. And do not do animals. I'm doing try not to cry. I'm trying not to cry.
His anime.
Alright, guys.
No. You guys probably seen this one. I don't know.
Remember what's happening to me? This shit's gonna be sad. I'm gonna be a dive fan, probably. That's weird.
Oh, she is.
They all died. I'm so mad.
They're gonna die, aren't they?
Okay, well, that. That's true. No, he's
Oh. Ooh, oh, this is gonna get me.
It's like knocking down.
I feel so bad. No. Channel for kids. I see that. I wonder what that is.
Nothing's even happened yet. Look at him. Guys, he's not like faking it.
I cry really easily and stuff like this. No, no. No. No, that was horrible.
It's not even done. That's sad. Oh no. Is this real? Is this a real one?
Oh, what is this for? Oh, you're missing a leg. I don't remember recording this.
I hate these ones. They're so boring. It takes a long time.
Oh no, we're gonna watch anime.
This one.
This one's gonna get me.
The video. Cat tries to revive a friend.
Oh no. Oh my gosh, that's horrible. Oh my gosh. I'll make her. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Ah, this is tough. Jeez. And Dad's crying. It's okay, Philly. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh my gosh, that's. He's not coming back, buddy.
What the heck?
Yeah, what is it?
Missing his friend who died of cancer. The Aggie homeless from Wonder? Just really bad. This is almost done. It's not, it's halfway.
Ooh,
Oh.
that is sad.
Oh. It's a fish. There's tons of dead fish everywhere and he's trying to give him water. Oh, I see this.
Oh my gosh.
It's alive. It's not alive. Just look at it.
But yeah, the fish are alive. At least that one is. That one's dead for sure.
The bird's drowning.
Oh, this one's not sad. This one's cool.
Oh, you put the bottle.
That's cool.
Acting dead, probably.
That's really cool. Oh,
What's it doing?
that one's just really cute.
Oh, it's its owner. And it got kidnapped by someone?
Yeah, he got kidnapped by someone.
Is that it? Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. There's a Oliver Tree
Guys,
event going
all
on
these
right now.
videos are going to be super long, so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Yeah.
I'm gonna watch.
Bye.
So,
I failed.
yeah. See you guys. No, let's finish this. Just we always smack the camera at the end. Comment down below if you cried or not. I didn't. I almost did. And yeah, like and subscribe. Go subscribe to PewDiePie. Bye.